So when is the right time to start taking some profits when investing in cryptocurrencies? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. So chances are you made some decent gains investing in cryptocurrencies. And now you're wondering, is it time to sell? Is this the time to take some profits? Should I wait longer? How do you decide when to take profits? In this video, I will go over my personal decision making and how do I decide when to take profits and my entire process. So make sure you watch until the very end. Also, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about it. So the majority of people that are investing in cryptocurrencies, they're doing it for one reason, and that is to make some money. I know a lot of people believe in these projects and believe that cryptocurrencies are going to change the world, and I do as well. But I want to make some profits along the way. And I believe cryptocurrencies provide that opportunity. Investing in crypto, you can turn a small investment into a fortune. A couple of small investments that can make life-changing money. Money that you can use to pay off your mortgage, to buy a brand new car, to get out of student loan debt, to pretty much change your entire life. And I believe cryptocurrencies are the perfect opportunity to do so. So a couple of days ago, I mentioned the graph, which was the second coin in my $100,000 challenge. And a day later, it pretty much doubled. So the $5,000 that I invested turned into $10,000. And a lot of people that bought with me made money as well. Some made 20%, some made 50%, some made over 100%. And then I got a flood of comments asking, when do I sell? When do I take my profits? And I'm like, I'm not selling. I'm holding on for the entire 30 days. A lot of people buy cryptocurrencies without having a real strategy. So before you decide to buy any crypto, make sure you decide what is your main goal. Is your goal to turn $1,000 into $2,000? Is your goal to make 20%? Is your goal to turn $1,000 into $100,000? You have to decide before you even buy. That is what I do personally. For example, when I invested $5,000 into the graph or UniSwap or Band protocol, I already had a plan before I even bought them. And my entire plan is buy these coins, let them sit for 30 days exactly, and then sell them. Even if the coins double in value like the graph did in like 24 hours, I will not be selling. They can triple in value, quadruple, 5x, 10x. I will still not be selling until the 30-day is reached on my plan. Guys, I'm really stubborn. If I decide I'm holding for 30 days, it does not matter if these coins go up to 100,000 or they drop down to zero. I will be holding for 30 days. I know sometimes this works in a very negative way and I end up losing money, but most of the times when I decide to hold a coin, it pays off in the long run. A lot of people jump in, they see the coin spike up 50%, 100%, they get out, and then they miss the 500% run or 1,000% run simply because they pulled out too early. If I decide I'm holding for 30 days, it does not matter what happens, I will be holding for 30 days. But that is also extremely risky. Every investment I make is treated differently. For example, Ethereum. In Ethereum, let's say I invest $10,000 and Ethereum is priced at $1,000. I set a plan, once Ethereum reaches $1,500, I will sell my Ethereum. And then as soon as Ethereum reaches $1,500, I sell no matter what. I'm not holding on till it goes to 1,600 or 2,000. My goal is for Ethereum to go from 1,000 to 1,500 and I'm selling. And then I will decide later what I will do with that money. But the most important thing is to set your goals before you buy these currencies. To have a plan that you will execute no matter what. I know a lot of people are like, man, you sold too early. I am taking profits. I do not care what other people say or when other people are telling me to take profits. Every individual should decide for themselves. Nobody's going to come to your house and be like, yo, you took profits. Every single person watching this video has a different financial situation. And you should be focused on what is most beneficial to you. If you are happy making $10,000 and that is life-changing money for you, man, go for it, take those profits. If your goal is to make $100,000, go for it. If you have already made $1 million in profits, awesome. That's why I will never judge anybody that takes profits, even if it's $1,000 or $100,000. profit is profit. And you as an investor, you should not care what other people think. You should not care when people are taking profits. Do your own situation, figure out how much profit you want to make, figure out your goals, and start taking profits. Having a plan that you stick with will help you against FOMO, and it will help you make better financial decisions when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We all know cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. Right now we are in the bull run and everything is skyrocketing. It is super easy to jump into FOMO, buy some random coins, let them ride and hope for the best. But these coins, when they have a correction, they go straight down. So all the profits that you have not taken out so far, they could be lost. So that is why I always have strict plans, strict price targets when I buy cryptocurrencies. Personally, I invest in real estate, I invest in the stock market, and I invest in cryptocurrencies. And for every investment that I make, it does not matter if I'm buying a rental property, I come up with a plan. I know exactly how much that rental property is going to cost me, how much renovation, taxes, all of that stuff. I do all my research on the property, I figure out all the numbers, how much it can rent for, how much it's going to cost me, all of that stuff before I sign on the dotted line. But once all these numbers make perfect sense to me, I go full force, I close on the deal, I follow the strict plan, and I execute. And I take profits. Same when investing in the stock market. I do my research on the company, I figure out what price I want to get in, and I have price targets if I plan on selling the stock a year from now or when it reaches a certain amount. So having a plan is very important. But in my personal opinion, investing in cryptocurrencies is completely different than real estate and the stock market. In cryptocurrencies, these coins can go up 1,000%, 10,000% in a matter of weeks. Also, they are very, very unpredictable. There's very, very little research on all of these coins. You go on CoinMarketCap, there's over 10,000 coins, and 90% of them are pure garbage. So a lot of those projects will end up failing and will pretty much disappear. I have been investing in cryptocurrencies since 2016. I have seen many coins come and go, many awesome projects that simply vanish, many scams, many ICOs that come, take people's money and vanish. Guys, cryptocurrencies are very risky, so you always have to do your research. You always have to be ready to pull the trigger when it's time to sell, execute your plan, take your profits. A lot of people have been left holding heavy bags of worthless coins. And we all know these bull cycles do not last forever. Also, bear markets drag out for years and years and years. So if you're not ready to hold that bag for 2, 3, 4 years until the next bull cycle comes around, set your price targets, and as soon as they are reached, take your profits and get out. Alright everybody, that concludes this video, and remember, look at your own financial situation and take profits. Do not listen to people. Some people will tell you, sell your coin so the price can drop so they can buy it cheaper. Some people will tell you, hold on to your coin so the price can go higher so they can make more money. Guys, in this bull run, everybody has their own specific agenda. So make sure to do your own research, to set your price targets, and most importantly, to take profits. We're in the middle of this bull run. A lot of people are going to become filthy rich. Just make sure you're one of those people. And as always, check out the links in the description box below if you want to get some free crypto, if you want to make some passive income with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if you want to trade them. All the links will be in the description box below. And as always, like, comment, and see you in the next video. Peace out.